Have you ever wondered why it seems like some people have the magical ability to create a reality that involves their wildest dreams coming to life? Why are there some people who seem to fulfill every intention they set? Why life always seems to be going their way? You're not alone in your thoughts. And just like these people who seem to harness some mystical energy, you can too. Only it's not mystical energy. It's the law of attraction. Once you learn how to harness it, you'll find yourself becoming one of these people whose stories are used as an inspiration for others to take advantage of the law of attraction the same way to fulfill all their dreams of love, money, career, and relationships. 7. What is the law of attraction? So, first of all, what is the law of attraction? In a nutshell, the law of attraction is the belief that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into a person's life. However, it's so much more than that. See, your mind is powerful, and it has a strange way of attracting things that are in harmony with it, which includes both the good and the bad. Like attracts like. In essence, your reality, your external world, will always mirror what's going on inside your mind. The law of attraction depends on you both sending and receiving energy. Think of it like frequencies. When you change the frequency of your thoughts from a low to high vibration, your world changes as well, even if you don't believe in this law. But now you do, so you can wield this knowledge to your advantage. Soon enough, your external world will be aligned with the level of frequency you put out. It's believed that the law of attraction was first taught to humans by the immortal Buddha hundreds of years ago. Buddha wanted it to be known that you become what you believe. The concept of, by thought, the thing you want is brought to you. By action, you receive it. To obtain your goal is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony, would eventually spread to other cultures. And over the centuries, the concept once again became known that whatever you put out to the world, be that positivity, happiness, anger, negativity, that will come back to you in the end. 6. It's what you focus on. Regardless of how old you are, where you're from, and what you believe in, the law of attraction is just one of the many laws that affect the universe. Imagine that if doom is always on your mind, a cloud of literal doom will always be hanging over your head. That's how it works. Now, imagine that you're focusing on positive, wonderful thoughts. Your universe will materialize them into reality. Those goals you have, you and the universe will find a way to achieve them. Can the law of attraction affect your love life and relationships? Yes. Some people claim that by using this law, they were able to attract their soulmates. Can it affect your career? Yes. Your friendships? Your outlook on life? Your personality? Yes, yes, and yes. Wield it properly, and the law of attraction will even increase your confidence, bring out the best parts of your personality, and make you more charismatic. It's just as Buddha said, what you think, you become. What you feel, you attract. What you imagine, you create. 5. How it really works. Here is how the law of attraction doesn't work. If you think hard about $1 million, then the universe will drop $1 million into your lap. That won't happen. If you wish upon a shooting star, your soulmate won't knock on your door the next morning. It's a little more complicated than that. Do you want to become a millionaire? Do you believe that it's what you deserve? Then the universe won't hand out any freebies, but it will bend over backward to help you find ways to make that dream a reality. 4. How to use it. The first and most crucial step is to have a positive mindset. This is where the high frequency mentioned earlier comes in. You want to have a constant positive frequency. Of course, being positive and acting positively doesn't mean you ignore all the bad parts of life. The world will always have a balance, and there can't be any good without the bad. Negativity and tragedy are inevitable, just as much as great things in life are bound to happen as well. What counts is how you react to those tragedies and to that happiness. Wasn't it Epictetus who once said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters"? If you want to live that picturesque life, one that's full of great things, instead of viewing the world through a pessimistic lens, a positive problem-solving attitude is the way to attract good things. 3. Ask for what you want. Next, you want to ask the universe for exactly what you want. Certainly not for what you don't want. Whether you're aware of it or not, every day you make dozens of requests to the universe. These are called your thoughts. What you think, what you dream about, what you pay attention to, what you read about, talk about. It's all a request to the universe. However, if you live life reacting and responding to situations, you'll only be going with the flow. Your requests need to be specific and your attention deliberate. Once you're able to do that, the law of attraction will start working for you. You'll attract what you give your attention, thoughts, and energy to. And yes, that goes both ways. If you maintain a negative mindset, negative events are what you may get. 2. Meditate. Buddha said, if you are quiet enough, you will hear the flow of the universe. You will feel its rhythm. Go with this flow. Happiness lies ahead. Meditation is key. And he's right. Meditation is not only powerful, but it can even be quick. It changes your energy, increases it, and raises your vibration frequency. Meditate every day. Think about all your dreams and aspirations. Count your blessings, and think about what you feel grateful for. Finally, have some powerful affirmations to believe in. They will work miracles on your energy. 1. Start smart. One of the most important pieces of advice you can receive about using the law of attraction is to start small, to prove to yourself that it really works. When most people hear about the law, they try dramatically manifesting impossible to attain things, such as houses, cars, or even debts being repaid. Again, this is not how the law works. In reality, manifesting something significant is much harder than manifesting something as simple as a cup of tea. You have to believe that you can do it. And the moment you start second-guessing the law of attraction, the moment you start doubting the process doesn't go through. We are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think. This is one formula with no shortcuts. There is no fooling the universe. It will always send what you believe and feel. If you feel that the law isn't working, this way you are making sure that it won't. So start with something small to prove that the law works. This is a non-skippable, essential step in order to brush off all those doubts and worries before you move on to working on manifesting the larger things. Let's say that you want to change careers. Think about how you're going to feel after you accomplish your goal. Think about what you would be doing throughout the day after this. Who are the people you spend time with after? This deliberate train of thought is what's going to work. The more focused you are, the more you think and talk about what you want to do instead of what you don't want, the faster your goals and dreams will manifest. It's this belief that will get you what you desire, and it's what will push you to take action. Believing that no matter what hurdles life throws in your way, no matter how long it takes, you'll get what you want means that you maintain a positive, expectant attitude. You'll spend your day with a certain certainty in your heart. You'll know that you have placed your future in the hands of something greater than yourself. Again, like attracts like. Whenever you send out to the universe feelings of joy, passion, happiness, gratitude, and enthusiasm, you're beaming with positive energy. And the universe, it's responsive.